Hey there, so today we are in Semrush and what we're going to discuss is the keyword gap tool. This tool is my absolute favorite because I feel that it is the quickest way, hands down, to find new keywords to rank for on your website. So if you don't already have Semrush, I'll include a link below for a free 7-day trial that will give you more than enough time to go ahead and use the keyword gap analysis to find at least 7 days worth of keywords. So go ahead and grab that link below and make sure that you don't miss out on this incredible offering. So in the Semrush platform, to access the keyword gap, you'll just go ahead and click into the SEO portion to expand it, and then click onto keyword gap. Okay, so the platform will look something like this or similar. You'll go ahead and input your domain, which mine is nicholevanderwall.com.au, and it's a root domain. Today we're looking for organic keywords, but do keep in mind that there are other offerings that you can look at as well. Now, you want to choose your strongest competitor in search. And if you're not exactly sure who your biggest competitor or competitors are, you'll want to head to the Organic Research tab. You might be asked to input your domain, so do type that in if you are prompted, and then you'll go ahead and navigate over to competitors, and this should give you a pretty good idea of your biggest competitors in the space. In this example, I'm only going to add one of my competitors just to keep things a bit clearer when we do look at the keyword gap. So we'll go ahead and hit compare. And if you're anything like me and you love visual charts, then the keyword gap with the bubbles here is going to be a real treat for you. So basically what we are looking at as we're looking at our keyword profile, which is the blue, compared to our competitor's keyword profile, which is the green, and then the intersection of the shared keywords. So in this example, we have only 4 shared keywords, which is quite surprising. Now in this top opportunities, we can see weak keywords, and now weak keywords are where we have a ranking but it's lower than our competitors. So we're both ranking for the keyword Google Grant, however my ranking is lower than the Digital Ninjas for that. There's also missing keywords, so these are keywords that are missing on my website that are on my competitor's website. And then if we scroll further down, we can then see untapped as well, which is really interesting. And this is keywords where we don't have rankings at all, but our competitors do. Now you can start with the volume filter. However, in this example, I'm just going to add with a brand exclusion. So you click on advanced filters, exclude the keyword that contains ninja, which is my competitor's keyword name. I'll hit apply just because I don't want to see any of their brand keywords in this report. So now if we come down to the chart below, I just want to look at the keywords that are missing, and there's 277 here. And I'm just going to go ahead and sort by the KD percentage, and that's just the keyword density percentage. Now this basically shows the level of difficulty that it would be to rank in the top 10 spots on Google. So for KD percentage of keyword density, you always want to keep this as low as possible. You can see any that are under 29 are green, and then 30 and above are yellow, and then they even get red as well as they get really high. So you want to go for keywords that have high volume but a low keyword density. So let's just go ahead and quickly look through a couple on this list, and I'll tell you what are a few that I will go for. So I can see, why do search ad extensions matter? That one looks pretty good. Paid search company, I'll go with that. And then learning limited Facebook ads. So these are all really relevant keywords to what I do as well. So once you've checked the keywords that you want to utilize, you'll hit add keywords to list. And now you can create a new empty list if you'd like. However, I already have an opportunities list that I've created, so I'm just going to click on this list. And now these keywords will be added, so it says 4 have been added. So you don't have to manually copy them down and put them in another document. It's really just checking the box and adding them into one of your lists. So if you ever want to get back to those keywords, you can always just click straight into the add keywords list, and then click this, and it will bring you out to the keyword manager, which will show all of your list keywords. And then back in the keyword gap, the keyword manager is just right down here. So that's where you can always access any of the keywords that you've added. So that is fairly quickly how we can see what the keywords are that our competitors are utilizing that we are not, to look for potential opportunities for new content that we can write, or even improving our current content on those weak pages to go ahead and rank higher than our competition. So if you haven't signed up for the 7-day Semrush trial, go ahead and follow the link below, and you too will be able to quickly do a keyword gap analysis between yourself and your competitors to see loads of opportunities that you could potentially take.